everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on speed and braking distance. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of speed and braking distance and how they work together to create a safe braking environment, or I should say how you can work them together to create a safe braking environment and make sure that you brake on time, you don't rear end anybody, and you don't hit anything or get into any accidents because of a lack of braking power. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, the basics are as follows. Braking distance increases as speed increases, and that's assuming that you're pushing the pedal down the same amount. So for instance, I'm gonna drive at a slow speed and brake while pushing the pedal down just a little bit. Then I'm gonna drive at a faster speed and brake while pushing the pedal down just a little bit, the same amount. Okay, so let's get up to a very slow speed, and we'll go like something like this, and I'm gonna push the pedal down just a bit, and as you can see, I was able to come to a stop rather quickly. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna turn around. I'm gonna go at a faster speed, and I'm gonna press the brake pedal down roughly the same amount. So let's go a little bit faster, a lot faster, and we're gonna push the pedal down the same amount. As you can see, I'm still trying to bring the car to a stop. It took a lot longer to actually bring the car to a stop, and that's because I'm applying the same amount of braking power with both speeds. So when I'm going faster with the same amount of braking power, it's gonna take me longer to actually come to a stop. And you need to know how that works. Now, there is a way to come to a stop faster, even when you're going at a faster speed, and that's to brake harder, to apply more pressure to the brake pedal. So for instance, I'm going to try and stop within a few parking spaces, okay? So you'll be able to see. So I'm gonna drive slowly, and I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna brake right now, okay? Now I was able to come to a stop within 2 parking spaces, but I was going really slow, and I just barely touched the brake pedal. Now I'm gonna go a little bit faster, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm going a little bit faster. I'm not gonna go really fast, but a little bit faster, and I'm gonna brake right now. And I was able to come to a stop within 2 parking spaces again, but I had to apply a lot more pressure to the brake pedal. Now we'll try going even faster, okay? So we're gonna go a lot faster. This is an empty parking lot, just so you know. That's why I'm doing this. A lot faster, and I'm gonna brake right now. And I had to really push down on that brake pedal. As you could see by my seatbelt locked up, and I kind of moved forward a bit, and I engaged my core muscles a lot more, that I had to press the brake pedal significantly for that to brake within the same distance. So essentially, when you're driving faster, you either have to accept the fact that it's gonna take you longer to brake. Let's pull into a parking spot in case people start showing up to the parking lot now. You have to accept the fact that it's gonna take you longer to come to a stop, okay? Because you're going faster. If you just push the pedal down, you know, the same amount as if you were driving slower. If you push the pedal down the same amount, or you have to push the pedal down more or harder. You have to brake harder, which means, you know, you're gonna be braking harder to lessen the stopping distance, okay? Now, another quick note. Your braking distance is going to significantly increase whenever the road is in a condition that is not considered to be ideal. What are some of these conditions? Well, we have snow, we have rain, we have dirt, ice, anything moist on the ground. So like dirt, you lose a little bit of your traction, and then snow, rain, ice, just like sort of like the dew that forms on the grass, sometimes it forms on the road, like anything like that that makes the road slippery, causes you to lose traction, will essentially increase your braking distance. So let's say on a regular day, you know, I was driving, and I'm just gonna throw out random numbers. It's not actually how fast I'm driving. I'm going to 30 kilometers. Well, we'll make it more realistic. I'm going 50 kilometers an hour, okay? And I push the brake pedal a certain amount, and I'm able to brake in a short distance, right? But all of a sudden it's raining or there's ice on the ground. If I'm still going 50, which I shouldn't be, you should slow down. But if by any chance you're still going at that same speed, maybe you're on the highway now, maybe you're on a faster road. If you're still going at that 50 kilometers an hour, it's gonna take you longer, much longer to brake if you push the brake pedal down the same amount. Even if you push your brake pedal down much harder, because of your loss of traction, it's still gonna take you much longer to brake. So if you're dealing with road conditions that can be considered as being slippery, then no matter how much you push your brake pedal down, it's still going to take you much longer to brake and come to a stop. And your ABS will probably kick in, or your tires might skid a bit. So the solution is to essentially slow down, right? Because this is about speed and braking distance, so reduce your speed. That is how you can counteract that slipperiness on the road. And that's it. Those are the basics of speed and braking distance in a driving lesson, and how they work together to create hopefully no accidents for you. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.